To understand the triple black, you have to understand the German concept of Vernunft, reason. Unlike the standard variants that use contrasting grays, reds, or whites to break up the silhouette, the triple black specification commits fully to monochrome. It isn't just black paint. It's a curation of textures. The frame, the swing arm, the engine casing, and the bodywork all exist in harmony. The goal here is visual cohesion. From the cockpit, the view is uninterrupted by color distractions. It forces the viewer and the rider to focus purely on the architecture of the machine. BMW refers to this as a sophisticated combination of deep black and high-gloss contrasts. Notice the brushed aluminum fuel filler cap, a small jewel of raw metal that serves as the only interruption. It's a subtle reminder that beneath the dark aesthetic lies a functional mechanical heart. Powering this silhouette is the 895cc liquid-cooled inline twin. Let's talk numbers. 105 horsepower at 8,500 RPM and 68.6 pound-feet of torque. But the story isn't in the peak figures, it's in the curve. Thanks to a 270-degree firing order, this engine mimics the thrum of a V-twin, offering a character that's distinct from the buzzy parallel twins of the past. For 2024, the refinement is in the software. The ride-by-wire system is so seamless that the transition between closed and open throttle, a common issue in this segment, is now surgically precise. But raw power isn't the point of the XR. The point is accessibility. Whether you opt for the standard model or the triple black, you're getting a chassis that prioritizes leverage. The steel bridge frame isn't just for rigidity. It's designed to keep the center of mass low, making this 485-pound machine feel like a 400-pound naked bike when navigating city traffic. Settle into the cockpit, and the triple black theme continues. The 6.5-inch TFT display is the command center. It's bright, it's responsive, and it offers 4 ride modes: rain, road, dynamic, and, if you've checked the option list, dynamic pro. But the sophistication here lies in the ergonomics. BMW has designed the XR to be a paradox, a motorcycle that is simultaneously a sport tourer and a backroad scalpel. The handlebars are wide enough for leverage, yet the foot pegs are positioned to allow for a natural lean angle. For 2024, the seat height remains adjustable, ranging from 31.7 to 32.5 inches, catering to a wide spectrum of riders without compromising the aggressive stance. This is where the analysis gets technical. The triple black variant often serves as a showcase for BMW's electronic suspension expertise. Dynamic ESA, electronic suspension adjustment, is a game changer for the middleweight class. It doesn't just adjust preload, it actively adapts the damping in real time. Hit a series of undulations mid-corner, and the system tightens up before you even register the loss of traction. It's like having a ghost engineer constantly tweaking your setup. Coupled with the rigid swing arm and the 45mm upside-down forks, the result is a motorcycle that forgives the occasional ham-fisted input. It invites you to push harder, knowing that the electronics have your back. Let's indulge in the granular. The asymmetrical headlights, a polarizing design choice when first introduced, have matured. In the triple black spec, the blacked-out housing makes the LED signature look less like a face and more like a visor. Pure function. Stopping power comes from dual 320mm discs up front, gripped by 4-piston radial mount calipers. For a bike in this segment, the feel at the lever is progressive, not binary. It's confidence-inspiring. And look at the tail section. The XR doesn't hide its touring DNA. The integrated luggage mounts are flush, maintaining the clean line even without the cases attached. It's a motorcycle that looks just as comfortable parked outside a metropolitan cafe as it does loaded down for a transcontinental crossing. Where does this leave the F900 XR triple black in the segment? Against the Ducati Multistrada V2, the BMW offers a more relaxed service interval. and a less intimidating heat signature. Against the Triumph Tiger 900 GT Pro, the BMW counters with superior electronics integration and a sportier, road-focused edge. It is a motorcycle for the rider who values nuance over noise. For those who understand that a cohesive design language is harder to achieve than a flashy decal. The 2024 F900 XR Triple Black is an instrument of precision. It is fast, yes. Capable, absolutely. But above all, it is a piece of engineering that respects the taste of its owner. If you value a machine that disappears beneath you on the road, yet commands attention the moment you walk away from it, this might just be the perfect middleweight. What are your thoughts on the triple black aesthetic? Is it a timeless classic? Or do you prefer the high visibility colors of the standard XR? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Ride safe and keep analyzing.